Switching to Ultra Mobile and keeping your current number is easy. First, ensure your number is eligible. It must be active with your current U.S. carrier, have no outstanding balances or suspensions, and hasn't been ported in the last 30 days. Landline numbers and numbers from non-U.S. carriers are not supported. You'll need your full name, billing address, the last four digits of your SSN or driver's license for verification, your current carrier name, account number, PIN, if applicable, and billing zip code. In some cases, Ultramobile might request a bill copy or proof of identity, especially for postpaid accounts. Also, your phone must be unlocked and compatible with Ultramobile's GSM network, operating on the 850-1900 MHz bands. To start the port-in process, visit Ultramobile's website or app and select Port My Number. Enter all the required details and submit your request. Activation usually occurs automatically upon approval, and you'll receive SMS updates. If you're using a new SIM, insert it and follow the prompts. Ultramobile offers online status tracking through their My Account portal. Here, you can view real-time updates on your port-in status, such as pending, in progress, or completed. While porting is generally free, expedited services, if offered, might incur a fee. Keep in mind that the process typically takes 1 to 24 hours, but delays can occur due to carrier issues or network congestion, potentially extending the process to 10 business days.